Hello everybody, this is Christy from Kitty_plans on Instagram. I do memory planning in my A5 wide planner and Sadie stickers inserts. And for this week, I'm using this beautiful kit from the Pretty Pinko. And as you can see, there are no full boxes and there are no functional boxes because it is a Deco kit. So this is the first time I'll be trying out using a Deco kit in a memory planning with me or memory plan with me. So yeah, let's get to see what I did. So for the bottom washi, since there is no bottom washi from, or at least not like we have like a page solely for the bottom washi, I am using this like sidebar washes from the Pretty Pinko as well. And then it will be like the bottom part or like the base for the foil that I will put on top of it. So the foil that I will put on top of it would be like a scene from the sea, because this kit is like beneath the blue. So anything underwater, right? In the water or in the ocean. So that's what I did with the bottom washi. I just put this sidebar down, and then I have this beautiful like washi from the Pretty Pinko as well. So I got this from, I believe, last year when they still had their $2 Tuesdays for this kinds of foil. And I'm doing it for both sides, where both sides actually have different designs. So it's so cool. And it feels like, we're underwater with all the gold foiled swimming fish and the corals, which is so pretty. So yeah, that's what I did for the washi.
Takes control of me. You make me crazier than a lunatic. Liberate, don't look at me that way. It's a different taste. Liberation. We ain't got no time to waste. I'm just like a mermaid. I wanna eat you. So fresh. You know, black swan, no, you refuse. You said jealousy suits me, so I wear it quietly. You turn me into a lunatic. Liberate, don't look at me that way. It's a different taste. Liberation. We ain't got no time to waste. We have got something to say. Don't look at me that way. Feels like I'm underwater, swimming with you. Liberate, don't look at me that way. It's a different taste.
Alright, so I put down a July script that is from Paper Trail Plans, and this is the, I believe, second week of July, and we are still in this resort as well as going back to Manila. But of course, it's summertime in my planner so far. um, and what I did with the rest of the deco is that I put down like those big deco in the center. So there's two big decos that I put in both pages. And then for the sidebar with that really pretty, like another sidebar wash, that's where I put the like a continuation of the water. And then actually when you see this, like this what I did with this, I actually thought, oh my gosh, these are full boxes. So yeah, it just came out like a standard kit as well with this boxes, the full boxes that I felt, because it was like the size of the column as well. So I'm like, okay, it worked out. I'm actually able to use it. Like my brain is still programmed to do full boxes. It was so trained to doing that because how many years have I been doing that, right? So it's so funny that I still like gravitate towards that kind of thinking. So yeah, that's what I did. And then I used the foil from the kit, which is so good, because all the elements that you need are there. So my water scene just so pretty with the gold foil. And then on the other end, on the other page, I'm using a floral corner, I believe is that what it's called. I used it for both corners actually. And it's just so pretty. Just the floral is so big, and it just feels like, the corals and fish would swim through it. So it's so good. And then I just do the same with the full boxes here, and then more of the foil. So yeah, that is it, and I'll talk to you in the day today.
Feels like I'm underwater, swimming with you. Liberate, liberate, don't look at me that way. It's a different taste. Liberate, liberation. We ain't got no time to wait, no time to waste. Don't look at me. Liberate, liberation. No time to waste.
All right, so let's get to the day today. So this trip or this spread is still about our Philippines trip, and we were still at the beach resort for the coming week. And then so to play around, like I didn't have any boxes or anything, so I really had to work with the deco that was there, and just like put it on the white spaces, because usually I'd use a box and then some florals, but this time it was good to be able to just work around the spread. Yeah, it's just experimenting with this kind of kit where there's really no standards going in. So we did have beach time. So that beach time script is actually from Letters to Apollo, as well as the like a swimming like that beach thing. What do you call those? The floaties. Yeah, the floaties. Those are from Letters to Apollo as well. And then we had some lunch at Jerry's Grill with their yummy sisig. It's another Filipino dish, and it's so good. And then, of course, I had a cold. So the last plan with me, I said I got a cough and colds. So I took a nap because the medicine I was drinking just put me to sleep. So yeah, anyways, we were out there relaxing, and then I got another massage, this time it was 2 hours massage, and it was so good. And that massage bed is from White Deer Stationery, and of course my cluster deco are the really cute bubbles. So it's just, you're just underneath, you're just under the sea. The feeling of under the sea in the spread. All right, so if, as you can see, I'm using like this, I part of the deco still, like those I'm thinking they're like journaling boxes maybe. or swatches. So that's what I try to put into the spread as like my box, because there are no boxes really to use. But I didn't buy any, and I don't think the Pretty Pinko has those like paper trail plans or saucy stickers go, where they sell you, or where they have the option to buy like the functional boxes, aside from the deco kit. All right, so in the afternoon, my daughter got her nails not painted, but actually they did a, I don't like, really nice decoration on her nails. I'll pop a picture of how it looks, but it's so pretty how they turned out, and it took a long time. So we started with a simple design, and then yeah, it went into like this really very cute nails, and we were able to shop around for like, some shirts, some trinkets, and such. And then after that, I think was it raining at this time? Yeah, I think we were stuck in the rain this night, because the rain was so strong. We were stuck in one shop. We couldn't get out because of the strong rains. But then, fortunately, well, not fortunately, we just went out in the flood. It was in up to our, I think, our ankles maybe, but yeah, it's so gross. The rain wasn't stopping, so we had to go. And then I had to go pack our stuff, because we were going to go fly to Manila the next day from Boracay. So we were in Boracay for the last 2 days, and then we're now going back to Manila. So Boracay is the beach resort, or the beach island we went to, and now we're going back to the city. And we checked in to another Airbnb, and this time it was a better Airbnb in terms of the size, but in terms of like the furniture and all, it was just very flimsy. Everything was so flimsy, but I just loved the space. It was like a 2 bedrooms with a living room, and yeah, the first Airbnb we went into was like really small, but all the amenities, all the furniture was really top notch. But for this second one that we went to, it's like everything was breaking apart. But anyways, it's okay. The location is really good. Right across it is the mall, so we just need to go walk to the mall, and yeah, it was good location. We'll just count it as that. And then we ate at Manam, which is a really good restaurant with some such good Filipino dishes. And then that night I met my friends from like my travel group friends. Yes, so there were just a small group of them, but they came over to where I was staying, even if it was like traffic to get over to come see me. So I'm really grateful they were able to come and see me. And then yeah, they had some dinner. I already ate Manam, but they had some dinner at Texas Roadhouse, and then we had some coffee at, I forgot the place, Mary. Oh my gosh, I forgot the name, but it's such a famous like coffee shop. And then after that, okay, the next day already, we're already in the next day. So we went shopping at SM Aura, AURA, I think. And then we had some ramen nagi. So we did shop for like whatever we could bring home here, like food and what else? Like stuff from like, souvenirs that we can bring. And then after that, this is actually my work day, because we were supposed to go home like Wednesday. That was our original plan, but then we extended it for a little bit more, for I think 1 more week. So that's why I had to compromise. Yeah, I had to do my work, because my PTO was only until Wednesday. So yeah, that was very, I'm like, oh my gosh, I was working till, what time was that? Till let's see. I don't know. I just attended some meetings and then I left. They know that I was here. I was in the Philippines, so they were very gracious enough to let me go to sleep. All right. On Friday was a family day for my husband's side. So we went off to Pampanga, which is like maybe 2 hours away from Manila. And it is like a water park. It's called, what was the water park called? Mm, Aqua Planet. That's where we went to, and of course, my daughter had so much fun, and the only thing I did there was go to sleep because, of course, I had work again that night, and then it was a really good resort, but the time there was really short, and then we also had to drive back because, of course, we had work. Me and my husband had work that night, and then since we work remote, we can work from where we're staying. So driving back was, oh my gosh, the traffic was so terrible. And we left I think 3 and we arrived almost 7 p.m. It's like, oh my gosh, the traffic is just so terrible over there. So yeah, and then went to work again. And I think I just stayed up till 2 a.m. maybe for work that day. And yeah, that was for Friday. And then on Saturday, me and my husband, my daughter, we went to this Japanese restaurant that where we ate. It's called Yayoi, and it's really good. You know, all the food places we've been to, they're so good. And then after that, we went for some shopping. And yeah, there's so many shopping places there, and it's so fun to just go around. And then I think we even went to a Muji there, so I got some notebooks and some pens from there. So fun. And then after that, okay, at night I went to meet my other friends from college this time. There were two of them, Marvin and Ed. So we had some dinner at Italiani's, and then we had some coffee in another coffee shop, and it was so good to see them because I haven't seen them in so many years, and catching up with them, it's like the time isn't enough because there's so many stories that we could share. So it was really great to meet up with them, meet up with my friends while I'm there. And then the next one on Sunday, we went to Green Hills, which is another shopping center. So there's a lot of shopping to do in the Philippines. So this one is like, it's known for their fake stuff. Yeah. But yeah, there's a lot of trinkets again and souvenirs that you can buy from there. And then we ate at this restaurant. It is called Locavor. And oh my gosh, another great restaurant. There's sinigang, which is like this sour soup. Oh my goodness, it was so good. And it says on their restaurant, they have the best sinigang. And I think they do. We just had the best time eating all the food at that restaurant. And then it was my mother-in-law's birthday today, so that's why we went to a Chinese restaurant all the way to somewhere by the coast, still in Manila. And yeah, there I got a tummy ache from what we ate, and yeah, I'll explain the rest in the next plan with me. So yeah, that was a great week again with friends and family, and just relaxing and also working. And yeah, this is the Beneath the Blue sticker kit from the Pretty Pink Co. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.